Greetings fellow mathematicians, a quick video to investigate how we can use the Explicit Teaching Plan and the teaching videos in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Open the Explicit Teaching Plan. Page 1 has the contents of this level of the concept. Images of the differentiated anchor charts, images of the integrated anchor charts, and links to guiding videos, including this one. Depending on the complexity of this level of the concept, there may be one focus in the contents or multiple focuses in the contents. Each focus in the contents has its own teaching video. Let's select the focus that we want. Step 2. Read the explicit teaching plan that we selected and/or watch the teaching video that we selected. The choice is ours. The explicit teaching plan and the teaching video are exactly the same. Embed the same accurate meta-language and the same Socratic strategic questions. Step 3. After we are familiar with the explicit teaching plan, we can just look at the overview page on page 2. Page 2 contains an overview of all of the focuses of the explicit teaching plan, the meta-language and the Socratic strategic questions. This page may also be printed for your program.